Yes, here I am out in my garage today. And yes, I'm still finishing up other projects. Hold on for a second while I cut this molding. Cuts pretty good. The old my Ryobi chop saw. This is actually something I bought new some time back, and it comes in pretty handy. And what we're doing here today is I need to go ahead and I have to take care of my molding I had in my kitchen that well, it was some old the original stuff they had was some fiber molding. Oh, here, let me turn off the light here. It was some molding that was, well, put it this way, it was not wood molding like this is. This is wood and painted. But the other stuff in there, it's like, well, it was fiber, some kind of fiber type wood or some kind of material that was mimicking wood, but it was never any good. So this is going to go replace that in my kitchen, and I'll be going out there in a minute and show you that. Okay, and we'll be back in a second. Well, there's the molding. I just tack welded it, or tack welded it, just tacked it into the side here, but now I'm getting ready to nail the rest of these nails in. And just finishing nails, so it's not going to be real hard to get in there. What are you doing, dog? What are you doing behind me? You hiding? Huh? Come back with the nail set and get them in the rest of the way. But, oops, I took her out of there. How do you do that? Alright. Okay, that looks like that will work. Now, well, the strange thing is, hammer I'm using is this little tack hammer right here. This was made by my dad in wood shop, if you can believe that, or actually metal shop actually. He made the head and then put the handle on later on. But yeah, I've had it that many years, I've had it a long time. So, now, let's see where I have my nail set now. Did I forget to bring that in? Nope, I got it here. So, always do that so that you have no nails showing, just holes, but I can patch those. Not a biggie. Yeah, I've been trying to do this project, I don't know how long. I actually did start it, I think, on video, but I never did finish it. And like a lot of other things, I didn't finish them. So I'm finishing up my project now. I know, it's like watching paint dry. But you gotta do it, you gotta do it. And there we are. And actually, I didn't have that many nails holding it in. I've got these bent ones here to pull it out. And there they are. And that's what I'm using for a nail set. I got another one actually. It's more a scribe than anything else. But you can use it for everything. And look at this. The dog's not making any noise. I think he's afraid. Oh yeah. And Wallys66. I pre-drilled holes with this. And it works fine. This Hitachi. So here you go. And yeah, that's all that's going to be left probably is a little caulking on that and call her good. So that'll be it here for here. Another project done. Bye for now.